bunch of trash. And then I just dug this. It's a Lincoln keychain, I think. It's heavy though. Well, I'll clean it up when I get home. You may not see this video because if this is all I got, then there's no sense in posting a video. But this is pretty cool. I'm happy with it. Come on, get in. Well, on to the next. Buckle? Huh. I'll clean it up and see what it is. I guess it's better than nothing though. It's pretty cool. On to the next. Yeah, my bounty hunter and I, we've been digging this park for about an hour now. And I got a dime over here. It was about 4 inches deep. And then here, it was another dime signal, 6 inches deep, and ended up being a copper penny. But I'm taking a lot of pennies, and that's about it. But I was basically another 4 inches down, another spot. Crusty old zinc penny. Oh well. On to the next. 4 inches down. Got a 1964 copper. It's in the silver range, as the bounty hunter, as the Hunter GT would say. Oh, we'll keep on going. On to the next. Yep, 4 inches down. 1975 copper penny. A lot of copper. I'm pretty pleased. Although I do have a ton of zinc today. On to the next. Yeah, my first quarter for the day. It was 4 inches down again. Rang up as a quarter and definitely was a quarter. So things are looking up. On to the next. Recheck the hole. And with the signal, found a dime. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. At least it's not pennies that are all zinc and rotted. Well, on to the next. Yeah, again, another 4 inches down, another zinc penny. 2005. So I'm not going to keep showing you the pennies. This will be the last one that I'll show you when I dig, and then I'll just show you on the roundup. Unless I get some real good. So, on to the next. 6 inches down. And I got a 1965 quarter. And that sucker was deep. But I was hoping it was going to be silver. 1 year off. Oh well, on to the next. Yeah, I dug another 4 inches down. I got a quarter. I've been digging a lot of copper pennies, but this is the first quarter I've had in a little while. My battery's getting real low on this, so I might not be able to show you anything else I find until the wrap up. But I'll just keep going and see what happens. On to the next. Hey everybody, I went metal detecting today for a few hours, and I did pretty well. Pretty well. I got all this stuff. This is all the change I got. You know, it's a couple of dollars worth. A lot of copper pennies today. A lot of copper pennies. I also got, I said Mario, but my daughter said it's Mario. See? Little charm. Let me turn the light on so it's a little better. There we go. Mario. I got this buckle. It is a Blevins buckle. So I looked up the company, and they actually make stirrup buckles. So that's pretty cool. I also found this Lincoln keychain. Not too bad. Not too bad. Know why you lost it, because it's like worn out. See it? And I found all this trash. A lot of targets today. A lot of targets. I tried to concentrate on the penny signals, and I was hoping to find a ring. There were a couple of times where I got really excited. You know, because I thought, wow, maybe, you know, it's just the way the signals were happening. But, no jewelry, except for maybe the charm. But all in all, it was a real nice day, and it's getting cool. Winter's coming, but it's going to be a pleasure to metal detect. I also found this pretty gross, but you know, I have to wash my hands again. But I hope everybody has a wonderful day, because